Good day everyone, I am Danica May Garcia from BPED 2A. For today's presentation, I will be advocating the 14 learning principles. Teachers are expected and ought to be catalysts of both teaching and learning. We, future teachers, are the facilitators of the classroom. Thus, we must make sure to establish a classroom focusing on the learner's development and learning. We just not teach without knowing if the desired end is accomplished. Therefore, we must make sure that our teaching style is effective. The question here is how. This presentation will tackle these three main points. First, what are these 14 learning principles? Second, why are they important? Or why the use of 14 learning principles are important? And lastly, why do we need to use and apply these 14 learning principles in the classroom? Let's begin with answering the question, what is teaching and what is learning?
Teaching is an organized, purposeful, and deliberate efforts designed to bring about certain desirable ends in an individual, while learning is the acquisition, retention, and application of knowledge, skills and attitudes, ways of thinking, or some type of new response.
So, why are the 14 learning principles important? As a future teacher, it is important that we know what we are doing. We should be guided so that our vision will be clear and not blurry. Our priority should be our students. Each student is different, unique, and special on their own ways. Our students have different ways of thinking, different capabilities, and so is the environment they grew up with. Individual differences must be taken into account. So, teachers must know how to handle their students. Knowing and using the 14 learning principles is a great help for teachers to facilitate learner-centered classroom. Lastly, why do we need to use and apply these 14 learning principles in the classroom? We need to establish and facilitate a learner-centered classroom. Therefore, our teaching should be mainly focused on the students' learning. By using these 14 learning principles, we are guided. We know what strategies and techniques to apply, methodologies and instructional materials to use, and what teaching style is effective and best for our students. Teachers play a very crucial and vital role in students' lives. Therefore, we must do our best in helping our students learn the best way they can. So, we should use and apply the 14 learning principles in order to provide our students with better learning experiences that will equip them with skills in dealing with the challenges not just inside the classroom but also in the world. Thank you.